Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to solve a problem under momentum that we have here on the board. A body of mass 0.15 kg is kicked against a rigid vertical wall with a horizontal velocity of 50 meters per second. If it rebounds with a horizontal velocity of 80 meters per second, calculate the impulse on the board. So let us write data. From the question, we have a mass of 0.15 kg. So m equals to 0.15 kg is kicked against a rigid vertical wall with a horizontal velocity of 50 meters per second. So initial velocity equals to 50 meters per second. If it rebounds with a horizontal velocity of 80 meters per second. So that 80 meters per second is the final velocity, the rebounded velocity. So B equals to 80 meters per second. Calculate the impulse. Impulse with the question mark. So remember momentum, that is final momentum minus initial momentum. So impulse equals to mb minus mu, where m is the mass, b is the final velocity, and u is the initial velocity. So let's substitute. We have mass of 0.15 multiplied by final velocity 80 minus m as 0.15, then u initial velocity, which is 50, multiplied by 50. Now if you multiply this and minus the value of the multiplication of these two things, you will get 4.5 meter per second. So this is it. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it to your friends. And please don't forget to comment. You can motivate me, and you can also ask questions in the comment box. So thank you for watching.